Is this a good time to buy a home, or should you wait for lower interest rates? Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Well, here's the deal. If you wait for lower interest rates, that means more and more buyers will be competing for the houses that you think are great. Now, there are homes on the market. They've been on the market a long time, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You see them being relisted with price reductions. It's going to be an excellent time for you to go in with an offer that works for you. You're qualified, you've been saving, you're ready to go, and try your offer on for size. Hey, if the seller doesn't like it, no harm, no foul, no big deal. You can move on to the next one. But it's a good chance to try a lower offer. Why not? The home's been on the market. You've got nothing to lose. It's just a business decision for yourself. I wouldn't wait. If you're ready to go and qualified, let's get your offer in now. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.